morning everyone. So it's a very early start to the day today for us. It's 5:30 a.m. We got up this early because today we finally leave El Nido after 7 months. Kind of crazy that we're leaving, but the time has come. And we're actually doing a bit of a collaboration with INAEC again. If you watch our previous videos, you'll know that we did the El Nido helicopter tour here with them, which was amazing. So today we're going to be going on a private plane with them from Leo Airport here in El Nido to Manila. So it's going to be our first time getting on a private plane. So that's going to be super convenient. Just like last time, we just had to do the health declaration online because of COVID. So INAEC can be used as an alternative for commercial flights. They offer private jet chartering, chopper rides like we did, all sorts. So I'll link their information down below. And now we're just going to finish up packing and head to Leo Airport. So time for the final goodbyes to the beach, right?
Yeah.
Sad?
Yeah, of course. It's weird.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're definitely gonna miss the El Nido, the beauty of El Nido.
This will be the final look, and pretty good view to represent El Nido, especially since we have the big limestone cliff right here. This is right near Korong Korong, if you haven't seen our other videos. Nice peaceful morning. Alright, time to go. Alright, so we've arrived at Leo Airport. This is the airport that we arrived in, right?
Yeah, on the 15th of March.
15th of March.
Yeah, before the lockdown.
Yeah, like a jungle airport. So we're in the empty departure lounge now. I don't think I've ever been in an empty one before, just only us two. And we got these shields, so I think we've got to wear it now and the entire flight also, right? Yeah, so I'll have to wear this. The major difference in the airport is obviously the things for the social distancing. This wouldn't normally be there, so yeah, it's on every single seat. Welcome to the video. Hello. Thank you.
Good morning to everyone. Welcome. Our flying time is approximately an hour and we shall be cruising an altitude of 17,000 feet. Thank you.
Alright, we're on the move, so yeah, now it is officially the leaving time of El Nido. We might get some nice views of the islands though. I think we will. So they just gave us both some things here. We've got Coca-Cola, purified water, hope in a box. This is a Starbucks package. Ah, nice. Salmon dill sandwich. Yeah, and we got this INAEC bag here. For the COVID, yeah?
Yeah, alcohol and hand sanitizer.
Yeah, the Starbucks salmon sandwich is very tasty. And we also just got a nice warm coffee as well. Perfect.
Jesha, thanking you for making yourself the part of your day. It has been a pleasure serving you. Have a pleasant stay here in Manila or wherever your final destinations may be. Thank you and good morning.
So we just arrived in Manila now. It took about an hour, a little bit longer. And INAEC actually invited us to visit their hangar here in the Manila airport. And there I think we'll be able to see the other kind of planes that they have. Not exactly sure what's going to be there, but we'll find out soon. Alright. Hello.
To Manila.
Nice to meet you.
And this is the INAEC hangar here in Manila. Currently, we have 3 hangars here in Manila. This one and the other one is on the side.
Oh, back there?
Yeah.
Okay.
The other one is on the East General Aviation area, on the east side of the airport.
Okay.
That's what it is.
Alright, thank you. Morning.
And this is our King Air 350, sir.
Does that one go to El Nido also? Also, yeah? How many people?
It's a 8 seating capacity, sir.
8 people?
Of VIP.
Okay.
If you want to see it inside, we can check it out.
Yeah, sure. Alright. Check this out, guys. Got the leather seats.
Wow, it's very nice.
Yeah, very nice. Cup holders. Oh, you're right next to the cockpit here. Never seen one of these up close. Oh, the windows are cool as well, right? Round. Maybe one day we can travel in one of these.
Yeah, it would be cool to
Yeah.
fly in an aircraft like this.
Very nice. You have the same helicopter here that we used for the tour?
That's the same helicopter that we use, sir.
Oh, the exact
we
one?
transfer it back to Manila to upgrade some equipment.
Ah, okay. It was that one, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's the one that we did the El Nido sunset tour. That exact one. This is a different one?
Yeah, this is
Oh, yeah.
AS352.
Alright, check it out inside. So this one, what is it used for?
It's for chartering, sir. Also for chartering.
Oh, like private?
Yes, sir, for private.
Does it do oil and gas rigs also?
No, sir. Our oil and gas operation helicopter is the Bell 429 and this one.
Oh, the one that we went on. Okay.
And this is our controlled area. We stayed in here for 2 weeks, and in order for us to operate, we're requiring a swab test.
Oh, oh, you mean once you do operations,
Yes,
you
sir.
have to quarantine here?
Yes, after the swab test, if the result is negative, we can do the quarantine here for 14 days, and we can go out on the hangar.
Ah, okay. So INAEC has also provided us with a private van that's going to take us to our hotel.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. What else did they just give us?
Wishing you well in your next adventure. Farewell and good luck.
Oh, yeah, that's in El Nido, right?
Yes, it is.
Yeah, it's the helicopter that we did. Oh, a bottle.
Yeah, nice.
Oh,
You
nice.
like.
Cool. We needed a bottle as well.
Yeah.
We don't have one.
We threw our away.
Yeah, we threw ours away. Perfect. So you probably noticed they're super professional, this company. Even in the helicopter tour, if you saw that video, they were also super professional and just amazing service, like true 5-star service. we have checked into our place now in Makati. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it, I think so. And yeah, it's kind of like a studio, I guess, and this was $35 a day. So I'll just take you on a quick tour. So it is quite small. This is the bedroom area. It's all pretty much joint. It's like one big room. So yeah, here we got the kitchen. Got a microwave. Haven't had a microwave in a while in El Nido. Nice big fridge. Things to cook on here as well. And over here we just have a little dining table. They even have some coffee for us already. They do have some fans, but we already have AC here that we've been using. And yeah, TV, as you can see. And I'll show you some of the views here. You got some pretty crazy views in this area. Super modern place. Huge buildings everywhere. See, there's a swimming pool on that one over there. And then near the door here is the bathroom. Just pretty small and simple. What do you think of the studio?
It's nice, it's small, but we don't need much space. It's just enough for us.
Yeah.
And it's the best thing is the location, I think.
Yeah, that's why you booked it, because we can walk to pretty much everywhere that we want to, right? Over the next few days.
Yes.
Yeah. Then here's some other views on this side. Probably more impressive. More monster buildings. Especially that one there. Look at the size of that thing. And a lot of them have helipads. I haven't seen that much lately. So even that one all the way up there has a helipad. I think the majority of them do. These two do at the side as well. Looks pretty crazy. We're really high up now already as well. Yes, I think that's it for this video, right? Yeah. Feels so weird to be in a big modern place after being in the province. Even before El Nido, we were in the provinces for a month.
Yeah, we haven't been to any city like this in this trip to the Philippines. It's our first time in Manila. Last year we went to Cebu, but it was quick. And it's weird to be here, but yeah.
Carol cried on the plane.
You cried as well.
Because you cried.
Yeah, we were not expecting to get emotional, but I think when we saw like the islands and everything from the air, I think how do you say in Portuguese we say a ficha caiu. It's like
like it really hit us that it was over.
And yeah, beautiful. The island's beautiful. So I think that's why you got a bit emotional.
So we're gonna be here for 2 full days. We actually came here 3 days early because we need to get a COVID test to go to Portugal in 3 days time, and that can take like 2 days to get the result. So yeah, we're going to be doing a few things over the next few days. We're going to be busy, but we will be walking around. We still got to go to restaurants, so still be able to make videos showing Manila, even though you can't really do like touristy stuff like that. But yeah, just showing you the big modern city seems pretty interesting and completely different to anything we've ever shown in the Philippines, because we're always at beaches and in the provinces. So yeah, it should still be interesting. And I'll also show you how the process is of getting the COVID test, because we don't really know yet. So yeah, stay tuned for the next few videos here. And as always, just drop a like to support us, subscribe to see more videos like this, follow us on Instagram, and I'll see you in the next one.